Hello everyone, my name is Michael Field and I'm a junior in geophysical engineering at the Colorado School of Mines. In recent years, the proliferation of low-cost drones has allowed for drone-acquired images to become an integral part of geoscience fieldwork. By collecting many overlapping images, we can use structure for motion to create 3D point clouds that contain a wealth of information. The ubiquity of machine learning also means that we have the computational tools to discover patterns in large datasets like point clouds that are not readily apparent or are too costly to identify. Having a workflow to rapidly create and analyze point clouds of hard-to-access outcrops means that geologic mapping could be more rapid and researchers could share outcrop data more easily. My research investigates if drone photogrammetry and machine learning can be used to classify facies and vegetation in an outcrop of the Entrada Sandstone near Moab, Utah. The targets of our classification are the dune and interdune facies and vegetation. The dune facies is a well-sorted, light gray, cross-bedded sandstone that was formed by the migration of dunes, and the interdune facies is a silty, maroon-colored sandstone that was formed by sediment buildup in standing water between dunes. I first created a dense point cloud of the outcrop from drone images and labeled the dune facies, interdune facies, and vegetation. The first processing steps were to convert the color from the red, green, and blue color space to the LAB color space and build a neighbor tree to allow for rapid neighbor searching. Next, geometric, slope, and color features were calculated at 3 different scales: 0.1 meter, 0.3 meters, and half a meter. Geometric features are calculated by computing the principal components of the coordinates of neighbors. Slope features are calculated using normal vectors of the neighbors, and color features are extracted using the LAB color of the neighbors. The dataset was then split into training and testing portions, and a random forest classifier was trained on the training portion. The classifier performed well with a mean accuracy around 97%. The most important features were the mean and standard deviation of the LAB color. I hope that I have convinced you that drone photogrammetry and machine learning can be used to reliably classify lithofacies in outcrops.